In this video, we'll discuss about the second problem on sections of solid. The second problem is a square prism of base side 40 mm and x 60 mm rests on its base on the HP. First, let us finish this part. Square prism. We'll go to the AutoCAD. Select rectangle. Square prism of side. How much? 40. 40. Select rectangle. Draw a rectangle. Comma 40, enter. Top view is done. Give the naming for this. 0, enter. A, B, C, and D. Prism. So you have to give one more layer, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Measure the dimension. Click on the aligned. Measure this one and this one. It is 40. Now the front view look like a rectangle. Project all these to the XY line. Now the height is 60. Change the layer from projection to object. Click on the line. Height is 60. 60, enter. 40, enter. 60, enter. It is not exactly joining because we have to on this ortho mode at the bottom. 60, enter, and bottom surface 40, enter. Join the axis line also. Okay, after joining, change this to axis. Select the center line. Go for the layer. Change it to dotted. Not dotted, is axis. Axis line and escape. Give the naming. Go for text option. Single line. 0, enter. A dash, comma B dash. C dash, A dash. 1, comma 1 dash, comma 2 dash. A dash, comma 4 dash. But this is true when only the highlighted condition is there. But you can see such that one of its rectangular face is inclined 30 degree to the VP. That is also condition. One of its rectangular face is inclined 30 degree to the VP. This condition we have not taken. So let us delete this top view. See, one of the rectangular face is inclined 30 degree to the VP. So we have to rotate this by 30 degrees. Select this, rotate, go for the rotate option. About this point, enter clockwise 30 degrees. Minus 30, enter. Okay, so this is the correct condition. These are all has been rotated. So let us delete those things. Go for text again, give the naming. First check the angle, angular from this to this should be 30 degrees. Okay, now we have to project this, all the lines. Change it to the layer as projection. Now change the layer as object. On this, let's select the line from here, 60, enter. Join the center line also. Extend the other points. Check the height with the dimension, aligned. $60. Okay, give the naming to the top front view. The dash. Okay. So this is the correct way. Next is it is cut by section. The solid is done. I have to do the section. It is cut by sectional plane parallel to VP and bisecting the face of the prism, which is inclined 30 degree to the VP. Okay, it is bisecting the plane which is or face which is making an angle 30 degree to the VP. Okay, take a first. Let us mark the midpoint. For that, go for the point. Select a point and mark the midpoint. Say this is 30 degree means this BC also making 30 degree. So bring the cursor on that line. You will get the triangular face. Click on that. You will get the midpoint through which we have to mark the line which is parallel to XY. Select a line. From this, I have to draw a line which is parallel to XY line. Right, so let us extend a little bit to this side also and select this entire thing, change it to axis line from the layers. Okay, give the naming for this HT. and give the naming for this also, intersection where it is intersected. This mark as P, Q. Let us mark with small p, q, r, s. Extend all these things to the top, intersection, change it to projection line from this point, from this point. Now again extend this to, see where are they? They are on BC 2, 3 and DC, CD and 3, 4 line from here to here. That is AB, BC, and at the top change this as a object. Okay. And one more important thing is when I look from the bottom, this A point is not visible, A1. So select this, change it to dotted. Okay. So that sectional part we have to make as a hatching. How to hatch it? Use hatch command from the keyboard. Press enter. Select ANSI 31. This part, this part, this part should be hatched. And this hatching should be changed to object. So this completes second problem on sections of solids.